Hello everyone, it's Khalil Daniel and welcome to the greatest Python series. We are going to go from absolute beginner all the way up to working effectively as a Python developer. If you are brand new, this is the place to start. In this video, we will be installing Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, a versatile and powerful text editor that we will use to write our Python code. So without much ado, let's dive in. To download VS Code, just go to your favorite browser and type Visual Studio Code. Once you search, some links will appear there. So go to this one that says download. It will open the official website of Visual Studio Code, that is code.visualstudio.com/download. Here you'll see the downloads for different operating systems. Just choose your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll just click this one for Windows. And within some seconds the download will begin. You can see the download has begun and it's telling you thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows. Once the download is complete, just go to where your file has been saved and double click that .exe file to start your installation. A prompt may appear to ask you if you want to download it from the Microsoft Store or you want to install it anyway. Just click on install anyway. Trust me, it's not a virus. Just click on install anyway. This setup window will appear. So this is our license agreement. You can read through it and check this I accept radio button, then click on next. This is where our VS Code is going to be installed, which is just fine. Click on next. A Visual Studio Code folder will be created. I'm okay with that, so I'll click on next. Here, check this create a desktop icon and select this and also this. I highly recommend you select these two options, that is open with code, Windows Explorer, file context menu, and open with code, Windows Explorer directory menu. Basically, select all options and then click on next. Now we are ready to install, so you can just click on this install for installation to start. You can wait for some time for the installation to finish. You can see that our VS Code is now installed and this launch button is enabled, so you can just click on finish. VS Code will automatically be launched since that launch button was checked, and this is what you'll see. You can see these are the release notes. You can just go through them. Okay, and yeah, now we have VS Code installed. So in the next video we'll see how we can create our first Python file in VS Code and how we can run it. So see you in the next video. Peace out.